One step at a time, your journey to a healthier you. Want to feel amazing? Imagine waking up every day with more energy, feeling lighter and more vibrant. Burn fat? Get in shape? Walking is a fantastic way to start. It's accessible to everyone, no matter your fitness level. It all starts with a single step: walking. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective way to improve your health. It's the simplest, most powerful way to change your life. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. This isn't about crazy workouts or complicated diets. It's about making a small, sustainable change. It's about putting one foot in front of the other. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Walking can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Get ready to discover how walking can transform your body and mind. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental clarity and emotional balance. We'll hear inspiring stories from real people who've walked their way to incredible results. Their journeys will motivate and encourage you. Take that first step with us. Let's get started. Embrace the journey and watch as each step leads you to a healthier, more fulfilling life. Walking, the simple secret to burning fat and losing weight. Want to torch calories without setting foot in a gym? Walking is your answer. Walking is your secret weapon. It's a fat-burning machine, disguised as a leisurely stroll. Whether you're walking through a bustling city or a serene forest, every step counts. When you walk, your body needs energy. It taps into your fat stores, burning them for fuel. This process is natural and efficient, making walking one of the best exercises for weight loss. The more you walk, the more fat you burn. Simple as that. Walking with friends or even your dog can make the experience enjoyable and keep you motivated. And the best part? Walking is easy on your joints. Unlike high-impact exercises, walking provides a low-stress way to stay active. You don't need fancy equipment or a personal trainer. Just lace up your shoes and hit the pavement. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. Walking can be done anywhere, anytime. Whether it's a morning walk to start your day or an evening stroll to unwind, it's a versatile activity. Ready to watch those pounds melt away? Start walking. Incorporate it into your daily routine and you'll see the benefits in no time. Walking is not just exercise, it's a lifestyle change that can lead to a healthier, happier you. Real people, real results. Walking success stories. Walking is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a powerful tool for transforming lives. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the stories of those who have experienced incredible changes. Hear it from people like Sarah, who found a new lease on life through walking.
I used to think I had to spend hours at the gym to get in shape. It was exhausting and often left me feeling defeated. But then I started walking every day. It was simple, easy to fit into my schedule, and surprisingly effective. Just 30 minutes during my lunch break made all the difference. It became a time for me to clear my mind and focus on my health. I've lost 15 pounds in 3 months, and I feel fantastic. My energy levels are higher and I feel more confident in my own skin.
Sarah's story is not unique. Many others have discovered the benefits of incorporating walking into their daily lives. Countless people have transformed their lives through walking. It's a simple, accessible form of exercise that anyone can do. They've lost weight, boosted their energy, and improved their overall health. Their secret? Consistency. By making walking a regular part of their routine, they've seen remarkable results. They made walking a part of their daily routine. Whether it's a morning stroll, a lunchtime walk, or an evening jaunt, they committed to moving every day. And the results speak for themselves. These walking success stories are a testament to the power of taking small, consistent steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So lace up your shoes and start your own walking journey today. You might be surprised at just how far it can take you. Happy feet, happy mind walking for mental wellness. Walking isn't just good for your body, it's amazing for your mind. Think of it as a mental reset button. When you walk, your brain releases endorphins. These natural mood boosters can chase away stress, anxiety, and even mild depression. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a walk. Need to clear your head? Hit the pavement. Walking is like meditation in motion. It calms your mind, sharpens your focus, and leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Section 5. Walking, your social fitness companion. Walking is even more fun with a friend. Turn your workout into a social event. Grab a buddy, lace up your shoes, and explore your neighborhood. Chat, laugh, And enjoy the fresh air while you burn calories and improve your fitness. Walking with a friend keeps you accountable. You're less likely to skip a workout when you have someone counting on you. Plus, it's a great way to catch up and connect with the people you care about. Section 6. Walk your way to a stronger heart and better health. Walking is like a superpower for your heart. It strengthens your cardiovascular system, improves circulation, and lowers your risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Think of walking as a workout for your entire body. It strengthens your bones and muscles, improves your balance and coordination, and boosts your immune system. Walking is the ultimate form of preventive medicine. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your health and live a longer, healthier life. Section 7. Age is just a number. Walking for a lifetime of health. Walking is for everyone, at any age. It's a gentle yet effective way to stay active and maintain your mobility as you get older. Take Betty, for example. She started walking in her 70s to improve her health.
I never thought I'd enjoy exercise, but walking has become my daily ritual. It keeps me feeling young and energized.
Betty's story proves it's never too late to reap the benefits of walking. Whether you're 20 or 80, walking can help you live a healthier, more fulfilling life. Section 8. Lace up and step out. Start your walking journey today. Ready to experience the transformative power of walking? It's easier than you think to get started. No need for fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships. Just lace up a comfortable pair of shoes and head out the door. Start with short walks and gradually increase your distance and intensity. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to take rest days when needed. Section 9. Walk, transform, live. Embrace the power of walking. Walking is more than just exercise, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to your health, your well-being, and your overall happiness. Embrace the power of walking. Make it a part of your daily routine. Experience the joy of moving your body, exploring your surroundings, and feeling the sun on your face. Walk your way to a healthier, happier, more fulfilling life. Take that first step today. Your future self will thank you for it. If you find this video interesting and helpful, feel free to click on my other videos in this channel to gain more information that will assist you along your weight loss journey.